From the first time that someone paid for a piece of land, the question has been asked, how much is my property worth now? That's a very good question, especially if you're thinking of selling. Whatever your reason, you're going to need to price your property correctly if you want to get it sold. But why is pricing so important? Simply put, your best and most qualified buyers will view your home in the first 3 weeks of marketing. If you miss them because your asking price is too high and you drop your price later, buyers are going to wait to see how far it falls before they put in a really low offer. Many agents will give you exorbitant valuations, promising you a proverbial pot of gold. But a real estate agent who has your best interests at heart will give you an accurate market-related valuation, no matter how hard it might be to hear. And if you go to a bank to apply for a mortgage, the bank won't grant you a bond if they don't find value in the property, and then you're back to square one. Remember, you determine the price, but the market determines the value. So choose an agent who supports their findings with reports, figures, and a proven track record, and then choose an agency with the biggest reach in the world. Remax Premier, it's the unfair advantage.